Okay, so my mom abandoned me, and I have to go to this adoption center today. She told me I have to leave the castle today, and okay, let's just see how this is gonna work. I hope I get adopted. So mom said to leave today, so I'm fixing to leave. Oh, I'm starving. Haven't eaten in like a day because she said she's not gonna feed me today. And she's gonna walk all the way here. She said I could ride this there. But then she said I have to tell him to go back to the house. So.
I already teleported. Shoot. Let me, hold
on. Okay, you can go back home now. Bye, Moonrose. Oh, no one ever comes here. They only adopt pets. Only I could be a pet.
It's okay. Come here. Come here, Tree. No, let's not go trade figures. Okay?
Can you adopt me?
Come on, sweetie. Come on. Okay. Goodbye. Come on, sweetie. Come on.
There. Be my family.
Yay.
There, you signed out the paper that Anna gave you. Yay, let's go. Let's go to your house.
Come on, sweetie. Okay, come on.
Because I need some more clothes. Because look at these clothes my mom gave me. She abandoned me.
Let's go to house.
Can I have more clothes when we get to the house?
What?
Can I have more clothes when we get to the house?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. What? Okay, let's go to the house.
Yeah, your house, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Do you have a big house?
Yes, I do. Hold on.
Look, I think I might know where it is.
Oh, I think I know you.
Wait, point the way. Is it this way?
I think it's this way. Come on.
Yes. Is it this way? Now, are you pointing this way?
Come on, let's go.
Are you pointing this way?
Yes.
Now point this way. You're pointing this way?
Yes.
Now you're pointing this way?
Yeah.
Yay!
Come on, let's go.
Wow, this is so cool.
No.
Okay, can you hand me some clothes so I can change?
Hold on a sec. Come on. Okay, here you go. Go change.
Okay, thank you. Where's my room?
Your room. Come here. Let's go. First,
Okay. Oh. Well,
tell you. Do you want? Hey,
where's that toe?
sweetie,
No. Okay, bye you guys. Bye. Bye guys.